Hi there, this is how to get the Vultr $300 of free credit. If you're new to Vultr, you can get $300 of free credit. So go to Vultr. I will add the link in the description and in the comments. Go to Vultr, and once you go to Vultr with the link I provide, you can create your account. You can use an email, enter your password, create the account, or you can also use GitHub or Google to create the account. And then you'll need to add a debit or credit card. I believe PayPal doesn't work, so it has to be a debit or credit card. And then you can add maybe $5, I'm not sure, just to confirm the card. $5 or $10, the smallest amount, to confirm your credit or debit card. And then you'll see the new $300 has been added to your credit, has been added to your account. If your email had been used to create another account, you'll not get the credits. So make sure you don't have any account with your current email. Make sure it's a new email, and also you're using a new debit card, because if it is connected to any other account, it means you already have an account and therefore you will not get the free credits. And then after that, you can log into your account, go into products, and then you can start creating. So once you have your account, you can deploy your servers or anything else that you want to deploy. Let's say I want to deploy a Kubernetes cluster. I can just click there on Add Kubernetes and enter the details for the Kubernetes that you want, and then deploy it and log in. I do have a video for how to set up your Vultr Kubernetes cluster. You can look at that video. All right, so that's how to get your Vultr $300 of free credits.